In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight clip in Media Pool in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very simple task, but it's also a useful one to know because selecting clips correctly in the Media Pool can help you stay organized and work faster while editing. If you're sorting footage, preparing to move clips, or just trying to keep track of specific media, knowing how to highlight the clips you need is an important basic skill. To begin, open your Media Pool in DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where your imported video files, audio files, and other media are stored for your project. If you already have your clips visible there, you're ready to go. From here, there are two easy ways to highlight clips. The first method is to click and drag over the clips you want to highlight. This works well when the clips are grouped together and you want to select several at once. Just click in an empty area near the clips, hold your mouse button down, and drag across them. As you do this, the clips inside that selection area will become highlighted. This is usually the quickest option when the clips are next to each other and easy to grab in one motion. The second method is useful when the clips you want are not right beside each other. In that case, hold the Control key on your keyboard, then click the clips you want one by one. Each clip you click while holding Control will be added to your selection, allowing you to highlight multiple individual clips without selecting everything in between. This gives you more precision and is especially helpful in larger projects where your media may be spread out across the media pool. And that's it. Once you know these two methods, highlighting clips in the media pool becomes fast and easy. Use click and drag when you want to select a group of nearby clips, and use Control plus click when you want to choose specific clips individually. A small tip to keep in mind is to make sure you're clicking directly on the clips you want, especially if your media pool is crowded. If something doesn't get selected the first time, just try again a little more carefully. With a bit of practice, this will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to highlight clip in Media Pool in DaVinci Resolve.